Okay, so this is probably going to be the most exciting unboxing that I have done yet. And it's not even because of what is inside, because we all like to get new things. However, I think the box is so freaking cute. And so I was like, I have to have one. Like, this is going to be a box that I would actually keep just because this was a hand decorated box by the creator of Chunkadus Kiddo, because they were just having some fun with her new boxy stamp things. And if you were lucky enough to get a custom box, oh my gosh. So, with that excitement out of the way, I'm like, I wish that my child was still like in this whole mode as what her child is. My son used to help me with stuff like that all the time, and it was just super cute. So I was in love with that. Can I well, I don't know if I should. We'll show this part. She does, on the other side of this card, it says, thank you for supporting my small business. If you love it, great. Reviews go a long way. If you don't love it, get in touch with me so I can help. And then gives you a 10% off code to be able to use on her page. So here are the care instructions that come with her molds. And wash with lukewarm water and soap. Do not soak, not dishwasher safe. There may be scuff marks as we sand mold by hand. And then talks about her STL files and stuff that she sells. So there's that. And then let's see, this is a free little gifty in here, if I am not mistaken. Oh, that's super cute. A little sticker with their logo. Another little sticker with their logo. Button. And then looks like this would be like a keychain, and it's actually one of the mermaid tails that is super. I bet you this is like a piece off of one of the hybrid, or maybe a 3-piece thingy. Anyway, cute. Cutie, cute, cute. Maybe because I ordered mermaid tail stuff. This is why the mermaid tails. And she loves purple, as I love purple. I don't know that she prints her things in anything else but purple. So I'm down with that. Hope it makes you smile. Sure will. As I'm making things with it, anything, it will make me smile for sure. These are mermaid tails. I forget which, how they do their whole thing. Okay, so if it says like a 5x5 or a 7x7 or whatever, that is like how many across and down that it has. With her molds particularly that are like this, they have a little indent in the side of them that tells you which direction, which obviously it's very clear with this one. However, it's not as clear with some other ones that you would get like the stars. So that's kind of a cool feature. And oh my god, look at how tiny these are. Oh. This is which one? Whatever. 8x8. Yeah. 8x8. These are so freaking tiny. Tiny, 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 tiny. My plan is to do one of each size, maybe like have one of each different color or something of whatever I decide to do with them. I have not decided on scent or color, but I think it will be something tropically, as I feel like mermaids should be tropically. There's that one. That one's the medium size one, 7x7, I believe. And then I'm going to unbox all of these on camera. However, I gotta, I'm going to give a warning. I think this one's okay. So I'll do this one without any, oh my God. Okay, so this one is going to be for a bath bomb. And I love the curvature. I love the detail. And I'm like, that's cool. I don't know how you do that, but that's kind of cool. It's that is just so pretty. So I'm hoping that I will be able to airbrush these and do like a mica fade so it can be all shimmery and pretty. I want to do a whole theme of the underground things. Okay, this is going to be the one that has the caution that comes with it. And this, is this? Oh yeah, this one I can do as well. I did naughty things, you guys. I got pulled into the naughty train. So, this one, I guess this would probably be the bottom. Am I looking at that correctly? Yeah, because that'd be the plunger piece. So, again, super cool design on the outside of it, however that works out. And then this is going to be what allows them to be broken apart. So this would go in the bottom, if I can figure that out. Okay, so this one goes in the bottom. You pack all your mix in there. Whatever you determine to be your mix size, whatever, this is your plunger piece. So you at least need to have enough in like these areas to be able to fill them as it goes and presses down. But I honestly think this could be a mold that if you scraped it off even with the top and then pushed it down, it would have enough compression for in here. I bought this one because of the toilet bombs that I make can also be used as cleaning bombs for like in your water if you were gonna use a hand towel to clean your bathroom or something like that, a rag, basically, that you could break these off in sections and just use one piece in your sink to help you clean your bathroom. So that is my hope. That is my thought. We will see if that can be an executable thing. That's why I bought that one. And then this one I wanted to try out to see if these ones come out any tighter with like how the spacing is versus the other one that I had gotten. I had gotten like the 10 by 10. So I'm gonna test this one out to see which one I prefer with that. That is all it. Okay, so from here, if you continue to watch, I'm going to unwrap a naughty bath bomb. So you have been warned that if you don't want to see a naughty 18 and up bath bomb, that you should probably go and remove yourself because we are going to get naughty. Okay? Are you ready? We're going to be naughty. Look at it. I mean, this, like, I had to actually, like, this is, you know, an average. He's average. And the amount of detail of like veiny things in here and I'm down with him. And I think it was pretty cool. She has a video of how to do the unmolding of this. So I think it was pretty cool that you would take it out of the mold like this. It's going to have some of the mix like that to make it wider or whatever. But what's cool is she was unmolding it like this and then tapping them and pulling them away from each other. And how it works like that is because it has a hole at the bottom. So super cool to be able to unmold it that way. And that way all the curvature and everything, like you don't lose that by having to put him on his side or something like that. So I'm very, very hopeful for this. I was given the tips and suggestions to actually make every single one of these out of a white bath bomb mixture, just plain. And then you can airbrush them afterwards So that way you could have white chocolate ones, caramel ones, milk chocolate ones, dark chocolate ones, and they could all be like color appropriate if you wanted them to be, but not turn your bath bomb brown or whatever. Or if you're doing like a not milk chocolate, a white chocolate one, you can still have the embeds and things in the center of them to give the bath bomb color. It's just not going to come from the mix itself. So that is going to be my attempt with this one and why I purchased it. So hopefully within the next couple of months, I will be able to figure out all of these things because I have gotten a lot of new and different things. So I will post that on my YouTube channel as I slowly work my way through all of these things. If there's anything that you guys would like to see or like to know about the moles, please let me know. I think her website does do a very good job of like measuring everything out. Like, I don't want to, well, I guess I can show the bottom. Well, I don't know. Anyway, she uses a caliper in her pictures to show how wide things are and things like that. So if you need any additional measurements that aren't on there for whatever reason of the molds that I have, please let me know and I will be glad to give them to you. And have a great rest of your day.